Welcome to MusePrep, your channel for music theory. Welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to alter the pitches we have learned so far. Do you perhaps already know how to do this? We alter the pitches by using accidentals. Accidentals allow us to raise or lower a pitch by a half step. But what does that mean exactly? This process is best explained using a piano keyboard. Take a close look at the keys of an octave. You can see white and black keys. Look closer. Are the distances between the white keys always the same? Not quite, because between some white keys there is no black key, while other white keys have a black key in between them. The distance between two adjacent keys is called a half step. Can you guess what the distance from one key to the next but one is called? Correct, a whole step. This consists of two half steps combined to make a whole step. You can also hear the difference between a half step and a whole step. Listen closely. How does a half step sound to you? Is it pleasant or rather dissonant? And how does a whole step sound to you? Remember, there is no right or wrong here. It's about being able to describe the sound for yourself so you can recognize it later on. Feel free to try this out on your instrument and stay tuned for more videos.